my big brother, honey. How long was that, babe?
Oh,
How long was that?
I don't know.
Like, what, half an hour at least? No, you were just looking at your phone.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, well, I'm going
You're-
to area pop off because
You were what?
Hey,
AJ?
well, that was the message I sent. Talking about hip hop or something. I don't know.
Oh. Hip hop. Hip hop, you don't stop?
Yeah, something like that.
Okay, that was fun. Was that fun, honey?
Yeah.
You like that one, huh? Does Rutherford have stuff like that?
Oh, yeah.
Probably like,
Yeah.
what the hell?
At Memorial Park. And plus the Hudson River's right there. You can just drive out there and see the big ones.
Everybody leaving the fireworks. It's like Max Exodus now. Alright, everybody, get the hell out of New Jersey. Let's go.
That person's from
How'd it come out, Michael?
Huh?
How'd it come out?
I don't know. I'm trying to get the. I'm waiting for the phone to, do its thing so that the GPS thing.
Oh.
Right now it's
Oh, I thought you were looking at the...
no, it's fucking loading right now. It's being a pain in the ass at the moment.
Watching all these people leave.
No, I don't want to do that.
Look at that yellow car. Sticks right out. Target.
Someone who's obsessed with butter
What?
would drive a car like that.
Oh, I was like, what are you talking about? I thought you said somebody eating butter.
No, it's like someone who's obsessed with it, or
Oh.
cheese, would have a yellow car like that.
Jeez. Oh, look at your head, honey. Woo! On my hands.
Huh?
On my hands.
Wow.
Warm them up for me, honey.
Holy mackerel.
Oh.
Alright.
I know, it's
Yeah,
like my
blood
hand was
That's where we
shaking.
are right now.
My butt crack. What'd you
I
say?
said blood transfusion.
Oh, I thought you said my butt crack.
No.
I was like, what are you doing? Yes. They're actually numb,
Someone
too.
backtracking?
Yeah.
Alright.
It should be where we are now. I switched it, so it
Okay,
should.
we're gonna film Michael trying to get out of here.
This is 512 over here?
Whoa.
Yeah.
We're on 512.
Yeah.
Mm.
So as soon as we get out
He's
of here,
warming my hands.
we'll make a left, and then we'll be on the road.
My honey.
I'm hoping that works. I'm pretty sure I got it right.
Okay, Mike.
Because I remember we passed it, so I know
We're filming you
left.
trying to get out.
Obviously, when we pull out of here, just go down to the stop sign and make a right and then a left. I'm just not sure if it's we'll get to that stop sign.
I can defrost my hands.
Right now, it seems like
Mm-hmm.
it's every man for themselves. Kind of.
Look, we're all trying to get out of New Jersey, guys. Look.
We're all going
It's
to
terrible.
California.
We need to get the hell out of here, away from Obama. See, we're trying to get out of the police state. See? He's tickling my hand. My hand.
Yeah, because right now I need to loop around until I can get to the exit
Right.
before I get to the road. That's why I look like that right now.
Once you get on the street, it should turn the other way.
Yeah, the arrow should be Derp.
We're gonna put Mike up on YouTube, trying to get out of the field.
Oh boy.
That sounded like a Bobby. Like
Yeah, there doesn't seem to be any
no
direction
organization
here.
here.
Everybody is kind of.
Yeah, like let us the fuck out of here.
Well, you know, the thing is it's gonna turn into carnage. That's why I'm not being stupid and going in there. I want to wait until, you know, they have somebody with some order. You know?
It's Big Brother. Doo-doo.
Somewhere over there. Oh boy.
How does he say
What the
Alex
fuck
Jones?
is he doing?
Doesn't
Big
make
Brother.
sense.
Corruption. Here
you
we
see
go.
these kids playing?
Yeah, I know.
They're
It doesn't.
supposed to be directing the goddamn fucking thing.
Kind of bang him in the head with something. Look at him.
Roll on the window and say, "Stop playing!"
Throw a beer can at him.
Let's go, you little freak. Come on, you damn teenager. Let's go. Big Brother. Corruption. I'll do like a